Hey everybody, I'm James with Authorized Shopsmith Repair. We are a fully factory authorized repair center operating right here in North Carolina. We have customers send in their headstocks all the time and in different ways. The primary way is by shipping from all over the United States and even Canada. But we also have customers from states away drive their machines into our shop and pick it up when it's done. Our typical repair time is 2 weeks, but can be longer if demand is high. This is where our new trade-in program comes in handy. Let's say your machine is down and you need a working one as soon as possible. You can purchase a fully refurbished headstock with a 2-year warranty and we'll ship it to you right away, along with a return label. Once that arrives, you can pack your headstock that needs repair in the same box and send it back to us. After evaluation, we'll send you a trade-in check based on the condition your headstock is in. Now, if you're driving to us, it works pretty much the same, except you drop it off and take your newly refurbished headstock with you, saving on shipping costs. We also offer any of our fully refurbished headstocks for sale. Just visit shopsmithrepair.com or call the number below. Hopefully, you can take advantage of our new headstock trade-in program to help you get back to your projects with very little downtime. I'm James with Authorized Shopsmith Repair, and I'll see you next time.